We're back on another beautiful day, enjoying the river. You're gonna see some temples up north. Families are out, people are strolling, picnics. It's cool. Got a horse over here. I don't know what these piles are for, but I've seen like toy piles around like Tokyo. The souvenirs. Tetsubin? Can tell if it's some type of tea ceremony. Let's check out what this is real quick.
この香りのある空間こそが王子の高いの姿で、個人はこうして目や鼻や耳などをし楽しんだとお聞きしております。まもなく課題が披露され開演となります。どうぞ今日の一日親しい香りとともに平安宮城の世界をお感じください。ご覧ください。
作業台で優しく選ばれたため、昨年ご奉仕を取りませんでしたが、本年は昨年の青い祭り、そして岩佐さんプラスのご奉仕をいただきました。第65代作業台の松井春菜様にお願いをお届けいただきます。では、松井様、よろしくお願いいたします。
Me and Leah just finished Kamigamo Shrine in kind of northern Kyoto, or a little bit more north of like the center, and the other Inari Shrine of Kyoto. Now we're going to go to most likely Kinkakuji, or another temple near there, or shrine near there, and see what we see. It's a hot and sunny day. We were sweating. Overall, really pretty day. Check out this water. Just in the neighborhood. How pretty is that? Alright, we've made it to Kinkakuji, but it's going to be busy. Sadly, it's one of the most popular places here. So, just finished our walk at Kinkakuji, and it sucked. It's terrible. Too many darn crowds, and this wasn't as fun. And on top of that, dango at the end was terrible. Could have paid $1, less than $1, and got 3 of them. Instead I paid 200 yen. Got 1. That was terrible quality. So now we're off to the subway to go to some shops, souvenir shops, tea, maybe some clothes for Leah, I don't know. Guess we'll see. But yeah, so far today was kind of meh. Is what it is. Just out shopping. Leah's interested in this again. Nothing? Spray? Lotion? Hand wash? The sweet potato thingies. So I didn't expect this street at all. Oh, this is that street from the other day. Yeah, no idea. Any of the European. Oh, Teppanyaki. Nobody checked before they turn around, dude. Oh, steaming. Just had dessert with our friend Michael, and we are headed back to our room. It's been a cool day. And now for the pretty so yellow. Got a music dude across the street. Got these fools dancing over here. Everybody having a good time. Signing off. Early morning start, Fushimi Inari. It's gonna be fun. 6 a.m. We're gonna be there. I don't know how we keep doing this. We're supposed to be waking up at 5 a.m. for Fushimi Inari, so we can be there by 6. We keep taking the wrong trains. It's like a limited express. It took us like 8 stops past where we're supposed to be. And we just took another train south. Be too freaking far. We're currently, let's see, an hour and 22-minute walk from where we're supposed to be. Hour and 22-minute walk. 24-minute train ride, but hour and 22-minute walk. Thankfully, there are some trains still running. I thought they stopped at 11. I was scared. But we have potentially one more train left. If we get this wrong, it's over. Even less time to leave.
No, it's just like, it's already 11 o'clock.
We could have been walking in our room by like the next 5 or 10 minutes. Now we gotta at least another 30, 35 minutes. Still people out right now, mostly young people, which is kind of cool. But